Hi everyone, this is Nancy Douglas. I am the Director of Sales here at Wildnote, and I'm super excited to share with you our latest product release, which is the Wetland Determination Data Forms for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers for all 10 regions in the United States. And I'm going to do a quick demo here and show you how easy it is to implement this into your own organization if you're doing any kind of wetland delineation work. And what you're looking at here is the Wildnote web application. And it's a project-based system, so you create projects for whatever kinds of things you're working on in your organization. And when you come into Wildnote, you're going to just see a brand new project green box to start. But I have a lot of projects here in my demo sandbox, and I've already started one to demonstrate the wetland form. And we're out here in California in the Arid West region, so that's what I've selected is California and Arid West. In addition, for your project setup here, you're going to want to go into our survey library and grab that particular form or whichever form you need for your region. And then you come into the Members tab and invite anybody into your project who would be doing actual data collection in the field. So from there, you would save that, and then that's basically it for your project admin side. Now it's time to go out to the field and collect some data. Now, I have already synced my project to my phone. I've downloaded the app from the App Store, and that app is different than the web application. It works on iOS and Android, and it's for data collection in the field, and it works offline, so you don't need to have connectivity to use this. And what you're going to do is download that app, like I said, and then sign in with your credentials, and you'll receive all the different projects you've been assigned to. As you can see, here's our Laguna Lake Preserve. I'm going to click into that, and here's data that's already been collected for the project. So I've run some test data in here. If you want to collect data for a new sampling point, you just pop up here and select that. Now, I'm going to show you what this looks like just so you have an idea of the feel of our application when you're in the field. People do report that Wildnote is easy to use and very intuitive, and often you really don't need any training to use it, particularly the web application. So you can see these are probably very familiar questions to you. If you're watching this, you are probably a wetland scientist, and these are all of the same questions that you're going to find on that actual wetland determination data form. I've filled in a lot of this information, and I wanted to come down here and point out one thing to you. We do have the species list. It's the USDA list combined with the U.S. Army Corps 2016 plant list with the indicator statuses for the different regions. It is smart searchable by Latin name and common name and code. And if you know the indicator status, you can go ahead and select that. If you don't know the indicator status, then Wildnote will populate that for you based on this list that is in here in the region that you're in. And we'll go to the quick jump here. You can also see there's soil down here for your different profile descriptions, and then the hydrology is down here. So that's what the application looks like on your device. Most people are loving their phones, and they find it really easy, like I said, to use their phones to collect that data. So then when you're done with that, you would sync that data and then pop back over here to the Manage Data side to do your quality assurance and to check your calculations. I should say check Wildnote's calculations, because we do that for you. So in this screen, you can collect some new data if you need to, or you can come in and QA what you've already collected. And you can see if we scroll down here, this is the form that was just on my mobile device. And if you need to make any corrections on this, then you would just pop up here and click edit, and it would become editable for you. When you're ready to export, you come back up to Manage Data, click Export, and then these are our standard exports up here, but if you scroll down, you will find the wetland determination export that's specific. And you can run this by a date range, so you can grab all of your forms at one time for all your sampling points, or you can grab a single specific one, and this is just a preview. So you'll see that this is exactly what the form looks like. It is an exact replica of that Army Corps form. We've taken great pains to make sure we get all the details in. And you'll see here that we populate the indicator status for the different plants here. And because it's combined with the USDA list, if there's a plant on that doesn't have an indicator status, then we won't fill that in. And you can just pop out of here, go back into the form and edit it and select what you need to for that particular plant. Here we run the calculations for you, and you would then pop back over and indicate what your hydrophytic vegetation indicators are. And then you come down here and you can see the soil profile and the hydrology as well. And this will print out on 2 pages. This is preview mode. I haven't clicked export to PDF for that. So that's basically it for the solution for the wetland determination data forms. And like I said, it's available in all 10 regions now. And we would love to work with you. If you're interested in signing up for a 30-day trial, just go to wildnoteapp.com. Sign up for the trial. You get full access to the entire suite of things that we offer. And we have a very helpful group of people here, so we want to work with you to make this a great solution for your organization. Thanks so much for listening, and we hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.